How to use Ustraa Hair Growth Vitalizer for growth and complete hair care. Roughly, this much is enough for medium length hair. This is a water-based vitalizer that doesn't make your hair sticky or oily. Apply the vitalizer thoroughly on your scalp and massage it properly so that it reaches the roots of your hair. This will make sure you get best results from all the ingredients we have loaded in this vitalizer. It has Redensyl, a patented breakthrough molecule which is scientifically proven to boost hair growth. Saw Palmetto and 17 different amino acids in it help fight hair damage and reduce hair fall. It also has Keratin and Collagen that help in new hair growth and prevent hair fall. Not to forget, 7 essential vitamins and 3 minerals that act as hair nutrition supplements and fight hair graying. All these nutrients come together to boost hair growth, reduce hair fall, prevent graying, and provide your hair all the nutrition it needs. Leave it on your hair for a few hours to allow the ingredients to work their magic. For best results, use on a clean scalp or after shower and leave it overnight. Ustraa Hair Growth Vitalizer. Growth and complete hair care for men.